Groundwater Lesson 1 Introduction and Definition. Groundwater is water that occurs below the surface of Earth, where it occupies all or part of the void spaces in soils or geologic strata. It is also called subsurface water to distinguish it from surface water, which is found in large bodies like the oceans or lakes, or which flows over land in streams. Both surface and subsurface water are related through the hydrologic cycle, or the continuous circulation of water in the Earth's atmosphere system. Groundwater fills in all the empty spaces underground in what is called the saturated zone until it reaches an impenetrable layer of rock. Groundwater is contained and flows through bodies of rock and sediments called aquifers. An aquifer is a body of porous rock or sediment saturated with groundwater. Groundwater enters an aquifer as precipitation seeps through the soil. It can move through the aquifer and resurface through springs and wells. Groundwater is everywhere beneath the soil surface and can be ever present in many places if allowed to recharge. Even in dry conditions, it maintains the flow of rivers and streams by replenishing them, providing a valuable substitute for precipitation. Groundwater supplies are replenished or recharged by rain and snowmelt that seeps down into the cracks and crevices beneath the land surface. In some areas of the world, people face serious water shortages because groundwater is used faster than it is naturally replenished. In other areas, groundwater is polluted by human activities. Water in aquifers is brought to the surface naturally through a spring or can be discharged into lakes and streams. Groundwater can also be extracted through a well drilled into the aquifer. A well is a pipe in the ground that fills with groundwater. This water can be brought to the surface by a pump. Shallow wells may go dry if the water table falls below the bottom of the well. Facts about global groundwater usage. Groundwater is the world's most extracted raw material, with withdrawal rates currently in the estimated range of 982 km³ per year. About 70% of groundwater withdrawn worldwide is used for agriculture. Groundwater provides almost half of all drinking water worldwide. Globally, about 38% of irrigated lands are equipped for irrigation with groundwater. The total volume of groundwater in the upper 2 km of the Earth's continental crust, not inclusive of high-latitude North America or Asia, is approximately 22.6 million km³, of which 0.1 million to 5 million cubic kilometer is less than 50 years old, judged as modern or recently recharged. The volume of modern groundwater is equivalent to a body of water with a depth of about 3 meters spread over the continent.